Hey, it's Diana, and today we are making these easy homemade pancakes. First, get a large mixing bowl and measure out the flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and then use a whisk to make sure those are mixed together well. Then you're gonna get another smaller mixing bowl, add your egg, milk, water, vanilla extract. Then use the whisk to mix those together until they're well combined. Then you're gonna grab your dry ingredients and use your spoon to make a well in the center. All you're gonna do is push the dry ingredients up against the side of the bowl, and then you'll pour in your wet ingredients and your melted cooled butter. You're just gonna bring the dry ingredients down into the wet ingredients and then stir it just until the wet and dry ingredients are incorporated. You don't want to see any patches of dry flour, but there will still be lumps in your batter, and that is okay. If you have any really big lumps, you can just push those against the side and mash them out instead of stirring the whole bowl. You don't want to over mix your batter because then your pancakes may come out tough. Add a little bit of vegetable oil or butter to a griddle that has been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you're going to use a half cup of batter for each pancake. Let them cook on the first side for about 2 minutes until bubbles start to form on the surface and start to pop, and you'll see that they don't fill back in with batter. That's when you know that it is ready to flip. Flip them over, and you're going to cook them for about 1 more minute on the other side until it's golden brown and cooked through. Then remove those to a plate and repeat the process for the remaining batter. This recipe makes 8 to 10 large pancakes. These are kind of like old-fashioned pancakes. They're like a thicker style pancake. These are really simple. You probably already have the ingredients. We serve them with some butter and syrup on the top. If you're interested in making this recipe, you can find the ingredients in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching.